So what I'm hearing is you didn't kill Tupac. But that would explain why a lot of our friends say you look like him, though.
What is that? What does my looks have to do with killing Tupac?
You kill Tupac, you take his spirit, you put it in your own skin, and then you morph into him.
Okay.
Literally, all you need is a stud and to shave off your hair and a bandana or...
I don't sing. I am not...
Tupac's a rapper.
Oh, my bad. Fine. I don't rap.
Well, I've heard you rap a couple times. You got some fire.
I don't rap. I'm not a rapper.
You got fire?
I do not rap. Anyways. I am not public with what I do. I hate social media.
Uh-huh.
For myself personally. I don't use the name or use the phrase, I look like Tupac or I'm Tupac reincarnated. So I don't know what value I get out of that.
Well.
And why else do you think I don't care too much about my my hair and stuff like that? It says that exactly. You know what I got told on both my junior and senior year?
What?
Because sometime back then when I was changing out barbers, I accidentally used to get bald fades.
Bald fades?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I've been told, and I didn't have facial hair like this on my side.
Yeah.
So I was told, you look like Tupac.
Yeah.
Tupac didn't die, he just became you.
Hey, what's up, everybody? As you already know, my name is Alyceson-Grace, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. So, this is a very light episode. It's just another one of collecting and farming and getting ready for the new day. We are... Oh, come on. Anyway, I'm a little off my game right now, but that's okay. Oh, the sea looks so pretty. Anyway, I'm just relaxing this wonderful evening. I had some wings, which reminds me, I gotta give you the money for that. You said 14, right? Sure. No. Oh, Cam's online. All right.
I am the goat.
So we've heard.
And I go bye-bye.
So I've heard for the past couple of years now, or
It hasn't even been a couple of years.
It's almost been a couple of years, okay? Whoa, girl. Angel does not have the best depth perception. Oh, yes, Zion, this is my character. Her name is Angel. Her name is Angel, not Lil Boosie. No, not Lil Uzi Vert either. Huh? No. No, Angel is Lil Bow Wow. Lil Wayne. Anyway. Whoa, I can tell my depth perception's always been bad, but it's a little worse today than normal. I know, how awful. Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it? Oh no, I'm not trying to be sarcastic. I'm more so just like, I'm still here. I'm still way here for sure. I just am a little bit... You haven't watched me really and truly play Animal Crossing the way that I do. Why do you think Animal Crossing is so therapeutic for people? That's a question for you as well. Really? Oh, look who's calling me. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Well, first things first.
Because the dumbest thing in the world, how I gotta build other people's houses when Tom Nook put me in debt for my own. Make it make sense. So, that's no fair. But, yeah, do you want to get on Discord right now? Because I will switch off my episode and, like, link it to a part 2 instead of cutting it off. And then we can just do a Discord call for the rest of it.
Sure.
Okay. So, you guys... How about this? How about this? You guys set up the Discord call, and when it's ready, then I'll start an edible. Wait, what?
I said we're gonna be in Animal Crossing niggas.
I heard you better do an edible. I was gonna say I got things to do, but
I didn't say that.
LeMayo, that's crazy. Well, huh?
I know what your name is.
LOL, my head is in my. Well, since YouTube does not like mentioning of alcohol, it is in my juice. So
I say whole milk.
we love whole milk. We love our whole milk.
I'm on that whole milk and applesauce.
Well, it seems like we have a few new friends joining the call. Stay tuned.